We are here again at Marina Vista Hotel. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers of there. Yan. Bibi, bibi. Happy Mother's Day.
Is that tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow. Oh, Daddy is sleeping. Yes, Daddy is snoring. Not minute people. We are here to celebrate Mother's Day. We are here in Infinity Pool. Ian is enjoying. Last time, that is good. Ngayon, nakalimutan ko yung pang-swimming niya. Look at that. Oh, hindi din ako. Walang gaanong tao dyan siguro. Matapos na COVID, no?
Goggles, mama.
Ha?
I really want goggles.
Yeah, next time. If you want to swim, bring your own, okay?
I don't even have any.
What?
I mean, I have that, but you know what?
You have at home, Ian?
What? I have it.
Oh, you want? Mommy to do everything for you. Oh, no. Well, actually, I'm already okay, you know?
What's this thing? What's this thing? What's this?
High fever ako kahapon pagkatapos ng second dose ko.
What's this?
Ng vaccine.
What's this? Like this silver thing.
Oh.
What's it?
What's that?
What's it?
Well, you're smart, right?
What?
Yay! Daddy! Ayaw maligo ni Daddy.